Hello, and welcome to this tutorial in Mice Toolkit. Sometimes you might want to apply a workflow to different input images and have the results organized for easy access and further analysis. This functionality is called batching, and in this video I'll demonstrate how to set it up in just a few simple steps. In this video I'll be using this database, which contains 2 patients. Each patient has 6 exams, and each exam contains 4 image series called Series A, B, C, and D. I'm going to select patient A and import series A and B from the first exam and connect them to the workflow. These toy images just contain text to uniquely identify the series name and exam date. This workflow subtracts series B from series A and calculates some descriptive statistics of the resulting image. The statistical results are saved as an Excel file, and one slice of the subtraction image is also saved to disk as a JPEG. To create a batch analysis from this workflow, simply click the Create Batch button below the database panel, which opens up the batch interface. Mice batching functionality works by finding all exams in the current database that contains all input image series with the same series description as the original workflow. We can see that all 6 series for patient A and B fulfill this criteria and can be included in the batch. You can select which exams you wish to include in the batch. I will exclude the middle 2 exams in both patients. You can give the batch a name, which will be the name of the folder where the results are saved. I'm going to call this batch Demo 1. Now we can click on Create Jobs to generate all the individual workflows. I have set the output folder to be Mice Tutorial, and a subfolder will be created called Batch. The batch results are organized by date and then by the given name of the batch. Each patient has its own folder, which contains subfolders for all exam outputs. Before we run the batch, each exam folder just contains a workflow where the input series and the output paths are changed to match the specific patient, exams, and series. To start the analysis, just press the Start button below the jobs list. Each row shows the status and progress of each job. In this case, all but one workflow completed successfully. To examine the failed job, we need to open that specific workflow, and this can be accessed by right-clicking on the job and selecting Open Process. We can now run this workflow like any other mice workflow to see where things go wrong. In this case, we can see that the subtraction node failed because the input images did not have the same matrix sizes. Let's look at the results saved to disk. Now we can see that in each exam folder we also have a JPEG image and an Excel file, which are the resulting outputs from each workflow. Finally, for each batch there is a folder called Batch Data, which collects all output data into a single table. Here we can see the results for all batch jobs in one document, which is convenient for further statistical analysis of the results. This is how you set up a simple batch analysis. In the following videos, I'll demonstrate how you can use image series from different exams in one workflow, how to use the same input image for all workflows in a batch, and how to batch over input values instead of input images. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.